Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to film a little day in the life. I'm currently whispering because it's very early in the morning and Mo is still sleeping, but I'm about to head to a workout class and I'm really excited. The last few days have been very work heavy and I haven't been able to get to the gym, so I can just feel that my body is ready for a good workout. I then have to pick up a few things from the grocery store, then we'll come home and I'll catch up with you guys when I'm back. I've been wanting to chat with you guys a little bit about my skin and give you guys an update on how it's going after getting off of the birth control pill. I have mentioned that in a few of my recent videos. It's now been, I want to say 4 months since I stopped taking it. So in the beginning I didn't really see any crazy differences, but then I would say at the 2-month mark till up about a couple of weeks ago, my skin was really bad. It's not so visible on camera, but I did take some pictures. I'm going to show those to you guys right here. So you can see it's a lot of these under the skin bumps that create a very rough texture. And when I wash my face or when I put on lotions and stuff, I can really feel those little bumps. So I know that my body is not okay right now, just hormonally. It's definitely going through a lot of changes. It also got me thinking about my diet and if there's something that I'm eating that my body just doesn't like and that is causing further irritations, or if there's something that I can do to actually help myself as I'm going through these changes with my hormones. So I did lots and lots of research, and pretty much everything that I came across, it all pointed to a diet that is rich in healthy fats as well as anti-inflammatory foods and foods that are low on the GI scale, on the Glycemic Index scale, which is a scale that determines how quickly your blood sugar levels will spike upon eating that type of food. And our body requires healthy fats to produce hormones, and there are also certain vitamins that are fat soluble, so you need that in your diet. So all of these things I've known about, but I guess I just needed a major refresher, because at the end of last year and at the beginning of this year, my skin was so clear. I had never had such clear and smooth skin. So I was thinking about okay, what was I eating during that time, because sometimes my diet changes over the course of the year. So I was looking back at my pictures and some of my videos, and I was eating a lot of good fats. I was eating lots more avocado and wild salmon, eggs, and also I was intermittent fasting, not every single day, but it was something that I enjoyed doing a few times per week, and that I think really helped with just the overall inflammation in my body. And then spring came along and I started eating lots more fruit. I was so excited about it, you know, getting warmer, and I was making these big like fruit bowls and smoothies and having lots of bananas. For those who are OG viewers of mine, you guys know that I mentioned how too many bananas make my skin break out. So when I would have them, I would kind of like disperse them throughout the week, so I wouldn't have banana every single day in my smoothies, for example. But anyway, so I somehow forgot about that because like I said, my skin was so clear, so I was just very like carefree when it came to things like that. But going back to what I was eating in the springtime, so I was also eating quite a lot of potatoes and oatmeal, and I checked on all of these foods, like where do they land on the GI scale, and they're all quite high. Plus, looking back, the amount of fats that I was eating was definitely lower as well. So I think those two things in combination, plus getting off the pill, it just really threw my body off. So as of the last, I want to say 10 days or so, I've changed my diet and I'm now eating lots more good healthy fats. I'm having salmon again, eggs again, and just I've reduced the amount of the high GI scale foods. I'm already seeing such a positive difference in my skin and also just in my mood and how I feel. So yeah, I just wanted to update you guys on that, and if you are going through something similar, if you're also having hormonal imbalances, then definitely look into this stuff. I of course also show a lot of what I eat on my channel and on my Instagram, so if you guys see like different things, you know why. On another note, I'm just weirdly excited. Like I am so excited to clear my skin again. I had it and it felt so good. I felt so like clear and confident in my skin, and I'm just excited to get back there and to take care of my body, just listen to myself. So yeah, I will definitely keep you guys updated on that. And now I have to go and change the battery in my camera because it's about to die. I just filed my nails down and I'm so happy with how they're looking. I haven't had nail polish on in, I want to say like 4 months or so, and my nails have literally never been this strong. When I first took the nail polish off, they were so thin and brittle, they kept cracking. I had these like white spots underneath my nails, and now they are just thriving and growing so quickly. I still like to keep them manicured, so I will cut the cuticles and just, you know, make sure that they are nice and filed. It's just so nice and like low maintenance. I love it, and I like the very natural look as well. It is now a little bit later. I've just been working on my laptop. I've gotten a lot of stuff done, so I'm feeling really good. We are gonna head out in a little bit, but before we go, I've been wanting to clean out my bathroom cabinet where I have all of my skincare products. I just want to refresh it a little bit, give it a good like clean out. So I'm gonna do that now before we head out. I'll show you guys what it looks like right now. All right, here is a very real and raw look at the state of our bathroom cabinet right now. I definitely need to clean this out and just go through all the products, wipe down the surfaces, because I don't know if you guys can see that, but it definitely needs a little clean. I need to refill these cotton pads and just in general like put the products back in their sections. Been meaning to do this for a while, so I'm actually very excited to get this organized again. Alright, so we are done. Looks so much better. This section over here is like toners and face mists. I've got my cotton wool. This is a derma roller that I've really been enjoying. And then we've got some body care products, some face masks, my beautiful rose quartz crystal here. And then we've got some serums, my retinol, my SPFs, and lotions. This is what I use to clean my makeup brushes. It's just a solid soap, so I like to keep that there. My contact lens case, some contact lens solution, which is pretty much finished. I have to get another one of these. And then most of this stuff is Moe's. Outfit of the day today, we have some errands to run now. So I just got changed, wearing these jeans by Goldie. My shoes are my white canvas. They're from Keds. And then it's strangely, well, I feel like it's a bit cold today, so I just got on this little jacket. And then bag from Chanel. By the way, if you guys are interested in knowing how I do my hair, I do have a video going up on Sunday, and I show you guys exactly how I do this very like voluminous style. What do you think of my hair?
Love the hair. Looks beautiful.
It looks like a blowout.
It has like a totally different style than normal. Like it looks very natural.
Yeah,
nice.
like wavy but natural wavy.
Yeah.
And I did this yesterday, and it's rained today and yesterday, and it still has held up. So I will show you guys that on Sunday. So we're in the car now. We have a few errands to run, and we've actually just stopped outside of Audi because we actually got a new car. We are super excited, so that's why the interior looks a little bit different. We just have to drop off the old keys. I'm just waiting for him in the car, and then after this we are gonna go and get a new plant. The weather the last 2 days has been really strange. It's been cold and rainy, and the few days before that it was extremely hot and like sweaty hot, like 35 plus degrees. So it's actually been kind of nice to just get like some cool air and not feel like you're, you know, dripping in sweat as soon as you get out of the shower. But tomorrow the sun will come out again, and it's going to be nice and warm, hopefully not like too hot, but anything between like 25 and 29 degrees is like perfect. So I'm looking forward to that. Okay, we found our plant. This is the peace lily plant.
This is Daisy.
Daisy, is that her name?
Yeah.
Great. Yay! Welcome home, new plant. Beautiful. She's so pretty. Oh, I just love these plants so much. We are back home and I'm starving, so I didn't want to make something like super complicated, so I'm gonna make some brown rice. We have some wild rice. I would do quinoa, but we're out of quinoa, so I'm gonna do wild rice, and then some broccoli, some salmon, a salad. It's gonna be simple and delicious. So I've just steamed up some broccoli. I always like to do bigger portions or bigger batches so that I have some for the next day. We've got the wild rice here, that's almost done. And we've got the salmon here, and I put some garlic on top and some of this teriyaki sauce that I got from our organic store. And I'm also gonna put some lemon on top. I'm now in bed and I'm reading The Slight Edge by Jeff Olson. It's called The Slight Edge, Turning Simple Disciplines into Massive Success and Happiness. I would highly recommend this. I will have it linked below in the description box. I love reading before bed. It's really relaxing for me. I feel like it kind of gets me like a little bit sleepy, and I love reading these types of books that are just very motivational and inspiring because it gives me ideas for the next day. It gives me this nice little boost when I wake up, and it just like it ends my day on a positive note, you know? I will be doing a giveaway in this video, so if you guys want to win all of these products that you see on the screen right now, just make sure to leave me a comment under my latest Instagram picture. I'm gonna have it linked for you guys down below. You can leave me any comment that you like, and that will count as your entry. I hope you're all having a beautiful day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.